What is going on, YouTube? Hey, check it. We are in the building with the lovely Miss Jamia. What's up, honey? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, man. We coasting right now. We trying to do this whole YouTube thing.
Getting to it.
So one time for the one time, where can they find you?
They can find me on Instagram at Mia Macy with 2 A's and an I.
Y'all ain't here, but she snapped. She got on these gloves. All right. So what we doing today, we doing some nice glamour headshots. She got the black fur. All right, so what we gonna do, we gonna do a nice black on black look today. I'm gonna use 4 lights. I'm gonna use 1 main light. I'm gonna use 2 lights. They have the grids on them just to give her a nice rim light. And then I'm gonna have a field light that's probably gonna be on the floor. All right, just push it back just so I can get some catch light in her eyes. You ready?
I am ready.
Let us go. Go ahead down, bring, there you go right there. So I love the way that looks. That's just 1 light. I got my beauty dish with a diffuser over it, and I also have my grid over it. So what I'm doing now is turning on my backlights. That's going to give her a nice rim light and separate her off this background. All right, so I'm gonna take a test shot, and once I take this test shot, I'll adjust my lights according. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I love the way that look, all right? This is just like a one in a lifetime thing, right? Where you just cut your lights on and they automatically just set to where you want it. All right, so I like the way that looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another light under her to shoot up, to fill in these shadows under her chin and stuff. And once I do that, I'm also going to get my Godox AD200, and I'm going to put that on my background just to throw something back there to where it's not just 100% black. And then I'm also going to do, y'all know I love my color gels. I'm going to throw my color gels in here, all right? I bet you want to know what they look like, don't you? No. Separate your lips. No, go back. There you go. Let's go. Settings. My shutter speed is 1/200th of a second. I'm at f5.6, ISO 100, and I'm shooting with my 1.5. My switch to much. Go for it. Separate that right there. Go back to where you was. There you go. come forward just So I want to show y'all how I got that image. I'm telling you, I'm excited right now because I already seen it and that mug is fire. But I want to break it down to show y'all what I did. Right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. All right. And this is a real simple setup, but you got to know what you're doing. You have to know what you're doing. That is one thing that makes me, in my opinion, a good photographer is because I know how to work my equipment. All right. So I have the clamshell set up. All right. Thank you for cutting it down too. I have the clamshell set up. A I have my 8600. All right. And I have my beauty dish, diffuser plate with grid. I have my Easy Lock beauty dish, and that's a 36-inch softbox, all right, or octobox with my grid. Same thing on the right, and then I have a strip box on my left side, aluminum foil. All right, that's her background. All right, I crinkled it up so the light can shine on it and create some beautiful bokeh. All right, and then I have this little doohickey set up. Color gel on it, and it's amazing. All right. Right now, my settings, my shutter speed is 1/200th of a second. I'm at f5.6, ISO 100, and I'm shooting with my 105, my Sigma 105. Stay just like that. All right, what I want you to do, lift your head up just a little bit, all right? And I won't give me symmetry, all right? Straight on, all right? Just pop your hair on this side, just pop it over just a little bit. There we go. Here we go. This is it. Bam. That is gorgeous. Hey, so I have a lot of photographer buddies that's always telling me, hey man, we want to see the editing part too, all right? So I've already edited the image, but what I would like to do is show you. So I'm not gonna do a full edit because I've already done it, but what I want to do is show you what all I did, all right? So here is the starting image, okay? Here's the finished image. So here we go. So here's the starting image. What I did was I took it into my adjustments and I took it into camera raw, and I want to pay attention to two things, my light and my color, all right? So I brought out my light, I brought out my color, and once I brought it here, I cleaned up that background, okay? You can see I had some gaps in the bokeh back there. So I just wanted to clean it up. All right. Next, I did my dodge layer, and it's very subtle. All right. I don't want anything to be super dramatic, but it's a very subtle change on her face. All right. I'll zoom in. And what I actually want to do is bring that up just a little bit. All right, next I'm gonna put my burn layer, and that adds that shadow in. And that's a little bit too strong for me. So what I want to do is, I'm doing the wrong one. My burn layer, here we go. And I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. You can see I really brought some shadow onto her cheeks, all right, just to give her face some structure. And I love it when when females, they contour their face just right, and they have it. Let me know what it's called. I've been trying to think of it. I don't know if it's like glow or highlighter, the glitter, whatever they contour their face with. But when they have that nice line going down the bridge of their nose, it is gorgeous. All right. So next, what I did was my hue and saturations layer. And you see this little brown piece of hair right here. I liked it. All right. So I wanted to bring it out. All right. And lastly, what I did was I got my brightness and contrast layer, and I did this to her hair. All right. And I'm going to bring up the brightness in her hair and in the fur. All right. I don't want to go too bright, but that's good. And I brought my contrast up to 17. So here's without, and here's with it in there. It brings a little bit more shine into it. All right. And that's all I did. I didn't do much to it. It didn't take me too long, but I have this nice, beautiful final product, all right, that is high quality and that your clients is gonna love. Hey, well, I hope this has been helpful and enjoyable at the same time. All right. I hope you really like this. All right. Y'all let me know right now down in the comment section. Let me know if this helped you out. All right. And also let me know if you want me to upload this, and I'll upload it so you can edit it yourself. All right. God bless you. Thank you for staying with me this long. All right. I know it kind of got a little lengthy. All right. And lastly, what I want you to do, I want you to smash that like button for me, comment and subscribe. And what I want you to do also is share this video. Share it with other photographers you know. Share it with the models. All right. Help me get this video out here because we have a nice image, nice glamour, beauty image. And it was very simple to accomplish. All right. Thank you. God bless you. And we gone. My skin has been compared to a fish once.